You understand your rights as I read them, ma'am?
You understand your rights?
All right. You have a charge of criminal trespass. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you wish to furnish your own?
Do you want a court-appointed attorney for free, or do you want to hire your own?
So free.
Court-appointed attorney?
Puts down for yes. We'll give you a personal bond, $500. Conditions: you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. You also be required within 30 days to take a 1622, which is a mental health exam. It's administered by Texas Panhandle Centers, which is located right around the area 15th and Polk, or one at the medical center, or you can use your own. That we must have it back to the court within 30 days. Any questions, ma'am?
No.
All right, thank you.
Make sure to show up to those court dates.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Do you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it looks like you have an additional charge of assault causing bodily injury under warrant number MACC CR 25-516-2. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, ma'am?
Yes, I spoke with.
Yes.
Yes.
Public defender.
Ms. Gardner, do you live here in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
How long have you lived here?
All my life.
All your life? Do you have family here?
Yes.
You promise, Judge, that you will obey any sort of court mandate, go to any sort of hearing that you're required to go to?
Most definitely. Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I would just ask for a lower bond here, perhaps PR bond.
$2,000 bond with conditions: you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. You are to have no direct or indirect contact or communication with the victim, and you must not go within 200 yards of the residence, place of employment of the victim, or any other specifically named places, such as, if you know where she's at and she's doing some shopping, then you should not go in to do shopping while she's at the premises.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the conditions, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. That's not for the judge here. How you doing, Judge?
Yes, sir. Did you understand your rights as I read them?
You understand your rights? The ones that to you?
Your constitutional rights that we read?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. You have a charge, sir, of theft of property over 100, less than 750. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes.
Or do you wish to defer?
Yeah.
Put you down for yes. Public defender.
Mr. Jimenez, you promise, Judge, you'll make any hearings that you're required to go to?
Yes,
You have family here in Amarillo,
yes, I've got a mom and all my kids.
and they'll help you get to and from any
That's correct.
required dates. And you have lived here a while?
20+ years.
Your Honor, I would ask, given Mr. Jimenez's long residence here in Amarillo and the nature of this crime, that you just give him a PR bond for this. He'll make any hearing.
Have you ever been arrested before, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
What for and when?
For domestic violence in 2018.
That it?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
I'll give you a personal bond, $1,000 with conditions: you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States while you're out on bond. They'll give you a little form there, follow that to the T. All right, it's conditions of your bond.
Fill it out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Right back in there. Okay.
Do you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arrington, you have a charge out of Randall County for bond surrender, evading arrest or detention. They've recommended a $3,000 bond. Do you need an attorney on that charge?
No, sir. I have an attorney for my other charges, so he'll
Okay, is that a court appointed?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we'll just continue that on this one as well.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any questions?
Yes, sir.
All right. Part of those conditions, is that you don't commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Zachary Bailey.
Good, Mr. Bailey.
Bailey, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, looks like you got a couple charges here. You got an unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. And then you have a charge out of Randall County for a bond surrender of dangerous drugs.
Yes, sir.
You have a court-appointed attorney already? You need one.
Need one, sir.
Puts down for yes, both cases. Public defender.
Mr. Bailey, do you live in Amarillo? Yes, sir. Lived here a long time? Yes, sir. Good family? Yes, sir. You would promise to go to any of the court hearings that the judge asked you to go to? Yes, sir. And they would be able to help you get there? Yes, sir. Your Honor, I'll just ask for a fair and reasonable bond here.
On the possession of firearm by a felon, a $10,000 bond. Randall County recommended a $15,000 bond, which I'll stick with. Both those have conditions that you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless so prescribed by a physician. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
15 and 10, so 25. On. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Morning, John.
Martinez.
Good morning, Mr. Martinez. Do you understand your rights as ever read?
Yes, sir. I do understand this. So I think I'm asking for on this one is since it's a probation violation, they recommended a pretty high bond. And it's a little absurd considering the fact that I just bonded out on the like 2 weeks ago. And then 2 weeks prior to that too for these charges that they're violating me for. And I even checked in on the 31st with them and they didn't violate me. They said I wasn't going to be violated. And then I was supposed to check in on the 18th and I got a random for a UA. I came in to do a UA. They locked me up and didn't even give me a UA.
I'm gonna have to go with and stay with the bond that they recommended out of Stevens County, which is $125,000. Cannot make that bond, they'll be notified. They'll come get you, take you back to their county. If you do make bond, you are required not to commit any other violations of the state laws of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States.
You said they'd be taking me to what county?
Stevens.
Okay.
You cannot have any contact, direct or indirect, with the victim, and you are to stay or not go within 200 yards of the residence, school, or place of employment of the victim.
Yes, sir. I understand those.
Any questions, sir?
No. Is it going to be a matter if I won't be bonded out until the beginning of next month?
Well, I think they have about 10 days to come get you.
10
So,
days.
yeah. So they'll be notified, and then if you can't make bond within that time, then they'll come get you.
All right. Brother, thank you.
Mr. Maes, you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Like you have a charge here of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle. You need a court-appointed attorney on that charge.
No.
That a yes?
I say that again?
Do you need a court appointed attorney? Do you want a free attorney?
Yeah.
Yes.
Put you down for yes, public defender.
Mr. Maes, you live here in Amarillo? How long have you lived in Amarillo?
My whole life.
Your whole life? And have you been in trouble before? Never been in trouble before? And you thought that what you did this time was a mistake? Your Honor, I would just ask, he lives here, he has family here, he's not a flight risk, and I would ask for a lower bond in this case.
I'll stay with the bond at $10,000 with conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
It'll be $1,000 bond though.
Alan?
It's a $10,000 bond, you pay 10%. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Mr. Tredway, do you understand your rights as I read them? You have a charge of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B. More than 1 gram, less than 4 grams. The district attorney has, at this point in time, does not want to take that case. So you'll shortly be released after these proceedings are over. However, I will tell you that the officers may come back, establish probable cause, and if they do, and the court takes that, then they'll issue a warrant for your arrest. All right, any questions? All right, thanks, sir.
Thank you very much. You said.
Gonzalez, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You have a couple charges here, sir: tampering with or fabricating physical evidence with intent to impair, and possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, less than 1 gram. Do you need court-appointed attorney on those 2 charges, sir?
Yes, sir.
What's down for yes? Public defender.
Mr. Gonzalez, you live here in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
How long have you lived here?
More than 10 years.
More than 10 years, and you have family here?
Yes, I do, sir.
And what sort of family do you have here?
I have a mom, parents, brother, sister.
Good. They'll be able to help you as well get to any court hearings. You promised the judge you'll go to all of those.
Yes, sir. I will.
Judge, I would ask here, given that Mr. Gonzalez is not a flight risk, that you would consider a fair and reasonable bond.
That on the tampering with, fabricating physical evidence, $10,000 bond, possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, less than 1 gram. I'll reduce that to $5,000 from $75,000. Both of those have conditions that you do not commit any other violations of the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless so prescribed by a physician. Any questions, sir?
Is there any way that you can lower the $10,000 bond?
No, sir.
That'll be, well, basically be.
Have a total of 15,000 in bonds. And if you run by 10%, that's going to cost you roughly $1,500.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez.
Ms. Thomas, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yeah.
Okay, you have a charge here of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. You need a court-appointed attorney in that charge.
Yeah.
Puts down for yes. I will say that this does come with a protective order. As the protected person who resides is your husband. This is valid for a period of 90 days ending on the 6th of November 2025. I'm going to read partial of this. It's 4 or 5 pages long. I'll tell you what you can't do, and I'll send it out to you. You'll be able to read it.
Thomas, do you understand generally those conditions? Protective order, you cannot go visit your husband, you can't go to that residence 90 days. You are able to meet those conditions.
Yeah.
And you promise, Judge, that you will not go there, and you promise that you will make any sort of court hearing that you are meant to go to. And you have people that can help you get to those hearings.
Yeah.
And you've lived in Amarillo a long time, right? Your Honor, I would just ask for a reasonable bond in this case.
Okay. Stay with $10,000 bond with those conditions that I already presented with you, and that you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless so prescribed by a physician. Any questions, ma'am?
Thank you, Ms. Thomas.
All right, thank you.
Clear.
Tyler, do you understand your rights as I read them?
Oh, yes, sir.
All right. You have a couple of charges here, deadly weapon in a penal institution ×2. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Puts down for yes. There is no bond on these charges. You have to be arraigned in front of a state judge. And that will be, I'll take that back. You're already incarcerated, is that right, in TDCJ?
No, sir, I discharged, I just discharged on the 16th of July.
Yeah. So what they do on those is can't give you a bond because you're already incarcerated. All right. So there's no bond on these charges.
You know what I'm saying? I'm no longer in TCJ. I am no longer in TCJ. I completed my time.
Well, I'm just telling you what's on the sheet that I know of, and they made me aware. And it says that you are you were brought in from TDCJ on the warrant in hand, and you should not be released without seeing a district judge. So there's no bond on these charges.
I don't care about my.
Thank you. I'm not gonna argue with you. Just thank you.
Hey, let's go. Can't go be saying it's too bitch, man. What?
Sorry about that, Judge.
That's all right. Comes with the job.
No.
Go ahead, make my day. Joshua Culpepper.